To use a Visa card on Amazon, you need to add it as a payment method to your account. Start by signing in to your Amazon account. Then click on the Accounts and Lists tab at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Account. Next, click on the Payment Options tab, which is usually located on the right side of the page. This will take you to the Payment Methods page, where you can view and manage all your saved payment methods. To add a new Visa card, click on the Add a Credit or Debit Card button. You will be prompted to enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter the correct details to avoid any issues with your payment. Once you have entered your card details, click on the Add Your Card button to save the card to your account. Amazon may verify your card by charging a small amount, which will be refunded immediately. After your card has been added, you can use it to make purchases on Amazon. During checkout, select the Visa card as your payment method, and Amazon will charge the card for the purchase amount. It is essential to keep your card details up to date and secure to avoid any issues with your payments. You can edit or remove your saved payment methods at any time by going to the Payment Methods page. Additionally, you can also use Amazon's payment security features, such as two-factor authentication, to add an extra layer of protection to your account. By following these steps, you can easily add and use your Visa card on Amazon, making it a convenient and secure way to shop online.